world today presenting you with new sets of challenges, it is more vital than ever that your business operates as efficiently and effectively as it can. From bringing in new sales and repeat sales and revenue, increasing customer loyalty, catching up with the whole digital transformation that the world is going through right now, delivering excellent customer service, and through all of this, trying to market your business in the best way possible whilst budgets are sometimes very thin on the ground. Well, Akixi can help you with these challenges by providing our communications management system to you. Use Akixi to ensure phone calls are answered quickly and by the right person without waiting for too long or being transferred multiple times before they get there. You can also use the real-time data to return any missed calls and capture the potential lost revenue and track the outcome of each call. Did they place an order? Was it a product inquiry? Did they just need our opening hours? And then using this information and more, you can make educated decisions on, say, whether you need to extend your opening hours to answer calls you'd otherwise miss whilst closed. Or from a marketing perspective, and one of my favourites, is to use different numbers for different marketing activities. Then you can use these reports to track which of those activities are performing well and those that aren't. All of these combined will help you run a more efficient business, generate more revenue, and overall have happier customers. Keep up to date with the latest Akixi news and information at Akixi.com and the Akixi social channels.